You're not annoying at all. We have a thermometer. It's silver. And right now it's at 21. So they're going to put it inside the cold tap water. And hopefully it'll go up to right about like 22 is what it should go. I need my cold water.
What? This is called a graduated cylinder. It's used for measuring liquids.
In the milliliters.
Yeah, with milliliters, and if you look at it from an angle, it kind of looks like the water is a bit curved. It's like a bit curved, and it's called a meniscus. And you're not supposed to measure the highest point of that curve. You're supposed to measure kind of like the lowest point. But if it's kind of like in the middle between like example 85 milliliters and 81, then you should probably round it up to 81.
Alright, let's see what it is.
So this is 80. Can't see.
It's 80.
80.
Looks like 80, like 88, 89.
Yeah, 88.
Whee! So here we have a timer. It's gonna be all
Stopwatch.
Timer, stopwatch, same thing. So here you press, and it goes. Then you press it again, it stops. And then you press this, it reverses. So you can press it, and then it'll change time, and then you stop it, and then you delete it. And then here, don't press this button. It gets so annoying when you press it. See? It just turns to idiotness. And then you press it again, go back to the timer. Done.
So this weighing device is called a triple beam balance. So the first thing they should do is probably like check if
with the spinny thing at the back of the knob.
With like the arrow pointing, it should be
at
0. And if it isn't, you should kind of twist this knob right here, hidden under, which when you turn, it kind of like positions itself automatically.
0, right?
Yeah.
Now put the little
And
metal
then,
piece.
as you can see, it weighs a lot more than so you have to kind of move the waist to balance it.
Just talk normal now. I'm gonna speed up the voices anyway.
So you can, as you can see, it's already too heavy. It's not more than 200 grams. So you can try something smaller like the 20 grams, 30 grams, something like that.
Now go with the small one now. How did the small one make that much? Make like that much weight? So close.
There?
Yeah. There you go. So here we have a thermometer and a graduated cylinder, which is approximately at 4 milliliters. All the graduated cylinders are milliliters. And this is in Celsius. It's really right about, it's at 19 basically. And then we're going to put it inside the water. And it goes to about 21.5. So the temperature was hotter in here than it was in the air. So, yay!